Our time with Huawei P Smart 2019 is sadly over. However, before we wrap the story up, we have to perform the hard reset. So this is how you do it. Before you do anything though, make sure to remove your Google account from the settings menu, otherwise you won't be able to reactivate your phone if you forgot your credentials. Anyway, this is how you perform the hard reset. So first you need to power the device off. Once the phone is powered off, make sure to press the power button and the volume up rocker at the same time and hold until Huawei logo pops up. Now you can release. You can use volume rockers for navigation. So navigate down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm, and type in yes. Reboot system now. The first boot might take some time, so feel free to leave your phone on the table while you wait and do something more productive. This is it. Your Huawei P Smart 2019 is now returned to its factory settings.